Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a paper balloon cactus with cardstock paper. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. And you could also find the supplies listed below the video along with the template for the Cricut, Silhouette, or other cutting machines. First, cut 10 of these on green cardstock paper and fold it in the middle and use the scoring fine detail tool and score along the triangle tabs using the other round side as a guide to score. Then flip it around and score the other side of the triangle tabs on the other end. Then open it back out, and having the side with all the triangle tabs on the left, there will be the triangle tabs on the middle. Those will be folded away from you, both the top and the bottom. Then the left side with the whole side of triangle tabs will be folded towards you. Then I take white glue and add glue on the triangle parts of the middle on the top side. Then I close the rounded edges. You want to make sure it's not gluing down the inside while it's just attaching the edges only. Then glue in the middle bottom and do the same thing. You will need to hold it down for a few seconds for the glue to set, but once the glue is dry, you should be able to press the tips on the bottom and the top and see that the edges that were glued are attached, but it could create this pocket inside. Repeat the same steps for the rest of the green pieces that you have. You should have a total of 10 of these. I had a different version of the paper barrel cactus similar to this that I'll link for you guys, but I wanted to create a cactus that had the ridges, whereas the previous one, the barrel cactus, was just more round without the ridges. Once you have the 10 ready, start with the first one. The rounded side should face you and glue the triangle tabs that are on the right side on top. Then add the second piece, flip it around and tuck in the triangle tabs so it connects the two pieces. Again, hold it down for a few seconds for the glue to set. Then continue repeating this. Make the rounded side face you and the triangle tabs will be on the right side. Then add glue and add the next piece. Flip it around again and make sure to tuck in the tabs so they fully connect to the next piece. And do this to all the rest of the pieces that are left the same way. Once all the pieces are connected, add the glue on the last piece, which will also be the piece that still has that triangle tab. Then squeeze that piece inside so the first and last piece connects and creates this ball. You could also push the top and the bottom of the tips to get this more rounded look. Next, have the spikes cut on off-white cardstock paper or cream paper. I'll be adding 5 per ridge, and we should have 9 ridges to fill, so that will be a total of 45, but have a few extra to cut in case you lose any pieces. Then curl your spikes up and add glue on the ridges and add the spikes. I tried to cover any areas that have a noticeable gap on the rounded edge, or if there are any messy glue that came out, these spikes could help cover that up as well. This cactus does have a pattern, so try to keep it evenly within the spikes. You could also make these cactus bigger, then you'll need more spikes on each rounded edge. Go ahead and finish the spikes on all the edges. Lastly, have the 3 of the flowers cut on yellow cardstock paper and add a floral wire with a loop poked through the center of one of the flowers. Then add glue and add the second flower on top, but crisscross them so they fill in the gaps in between the petals, and add the third flower on top of that. Then poke this through the top of the cactus and out through the bottom of the cactus and cut the floral wire to fit your pot or planter height. Then add this to your pot. These are the perfect cactus to have on your work desk or table. They won't need watering or they won't accidentally poke you. They also pair well with my other paper plants and succulents that I'll link below for you that you could check out. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.